Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agrawal. You are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I will be telling you everything about growing and caring of Chinese honeysuckle or ringoon creeper, and in Hindi it is called Madhumalati, scientific name Combretum indica. This is in India, Malaysia, Philippines. This is the original land of this country, and this is the beautiful Quisqualis indica is another scientific name. This is the hybrid of this dwarf variety hybrid. I tell you, this is multi-petal flower, and in general you see the Chinese honeysuckle or ringoon creeper is a single petal, but this one is the multi-petal variety. You can grow in directly in the pots or containers. If you make some arches, you can easily grow and beautiful vine, and the plants will be full of aroma and scent and fragrance, and you can easily grow. If you want, you can grow directly in the garden also, or in the wall of the sides of the wall. If you grow in this ground, and this scented fragrant flower, the fragrance will come within your window, and the room will be full of fragrance and scent. This is the hybrid variety. Just buy it from any nursery in March, April, May. These 3 months they sell this plant. If you want, you can go visit nursery and ask for multi-petal ringoon creeper or Madhumalati or the ringoon creeper. You just see, and it is around 2.5 meter to 8 meters or height. And this is dwarf variety. You can grow easily in the container, and you can give a support in your side walls, and you can reach up to 6 to 7 meters up to height, and they will be beautiful, and lakhs and millions of flower will bloom. And the speciality of the flower is when they bloom in the dusk time, they bloom in the time in the white color, and next day they turn pink, and the next day they turn red. So these are all the color you can see in the tree. This is white, pink and red. In the first day, in the evening time when they bloom, the hawk moth come here, visit here and collect the nectar, and the next day some bees, honeybees collect the nectar from here, and the next day some birds visit here and collect the nectars from here and the pine. So this is a beautiful plant. This is grown in 8-inch pot. If you want, you should grow in 10-inch or above size pots, and you can transplant in around 12 to 24-inch pot is the nice and best for growing hanging creeper, because they take a beautiful height, good height, around 6 to 7 meter of height. And if you keep it in your dwarf condition, you have to time prune it the plant, and millions of flower, fragrant flowers you can get. And now I am telling you some of the caring tips, and for how to care these plants, how to grow these plants. They're very important. Just watch the entire video. I'll tell you all the 4 important caring tips for one. So first one is the soil preparation is a very important. You have to prepare the soil. Take just some garden soil, any type, loamy soil or sandy soil or some clay soil, and put around 30% of compost, 70% soil, 30% compost, or 20% compost and 10% river sand. And you can add for good porosity and good drainage of the soils. And you can add little bit of DAP, little bit of NPK, super phosphate, and a half teaspoon of potash for beautiful flowering in these plants and fragrance also. And then you just moist the soil, and cover it for around 1 month. And after 1 month, when the reaction is over, all the soil is prepared. After 1 month, you can grow these plants and transplant the plants, this 8-inch pot to transplant in 10-inch, 12-inch or 18-inch pot, and then add this soil, and you can grow. And year by year you can grow over the years, up to 30 to 40 years they will grow. And fertilization is the second part. You can make take 4 parts mustard cake powder and 1 part NPK, 10-26-26 or 10-26-36. These kinds of NPK Sufola is available in the market, and take 1 part here, mix it around. This is for March, April, May up to June. You can, before the rainy season starts, you can apply 1 teaspoonful in 1 pot. This is enough for the plant for 1 month. This is the food for 1 month, and just put it at the side of this pot here at the side, and apply water here. And up to May and June you can apply this fertilizer once in a month. It is a rainy season, you just avoid this mustard K powder, just apply 10 26 26 or 10 26 36 NPK, quarter teaspoonful, only quarter teaspoonful per plant per pot, around 10 spot, quarter teaspoonful of NPK apply here, put it inside, and just water, apply water here, and this is for once in a month, and this is enough for the hundreds and thousands of flowers in this Rangoon Keeper or this Chinese honeysuckle. Or you have to careful water the plants regularly because they love water, they love sunlight. You have to keep this in full sunlight. You have to place the plants in place any area where the full sunlight comes, around 6 to 8 hours day sunlight. Now comes the third part where you have to control some of the fungus control. It may be attacked by some fungus time to time, so you have to apply any kind of fungicide, maybe Score or Blitox or Rodomil Gold or Score, different kinds of fungus or antifungus is available in the market. And if you don't have, you can apply SAP fungicide. This is the Mancozeb and Carbendazim mix. You can apply 2 gram per liter and spray on these plants, or this is nice. Next one is, if there is a insect attack, you can apply any kind of insecticide, be it a Hamla, cypermethrin, chloropyrifos, or if you want, you thiamethoxam extra, 1 gram per liter, apply once in 15 days. That would be nice for controlling every kind. If you want, you can apply neem oil also, adjuvant with some soap. And now some neem pesticides are available, Neemicide, Nemactin, Nemacol, different kinds of neem based organic pesticides are available. Apply 2 ml per liter once in a month and spray it, and the plants will be healthy, and year after year, 30 to 40 years the plants will live, and the room will be full of fragrance and scent. So this is all about all the Madhumalati or the Rangoon Keeper or Madhuvilata. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I am going to give a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.